Dior brand fragrances, you can't collect them. They collect you. When it comes to Dior brand, I'm not going to lie to you. You don't collect Dior brand fragrances. They collect you. They have the biggest database of fragrances ever created. I'm not just talking about dupes. I'm talking about fragrances in general. They have the most fragrances out of any other fragrance house. 3,000 fragrances in under 10 years. What's good? Welcome to my channel. My name is Dior. Tafa. Fashion is my passion. I'm about that action. Guys, today I'm going to be talking about a different dupe brand. We're going to be talking about Dior brand. Yes, Dior brand. Dior brand is a dupe brand with the most fragrance database of all time. It's not just the biggest dupe database, the biggest fragrance database. And I've collected a full list of fragrances that they have available. Discontinued fragrances, popular mainstream fragrances, designer fragrances, expensive niche fragrances. Dior brand has it all. There's no other fragrance that has as many fragrances as Dior brand. And if you want to get access to this database that I've built from Dior brand, then comment Dior in this video. I'm gonna send you a full Excel sheet, right, with all of the fragrances on there that Dior brand has ever created, with a link to purchase these fragrances. And I'm gonna give you a discount code, 36% off on Labor Day, if you use the code DIOR36 to purchase these fragrances. And I'm telling you because I own a ton of Dior brand fragrances, right? And I'm gonna give you my top three. My top three, I'm gonna say, you can tell that I really love them and I really use them because the juice is almost out. I put a big dent in this one right here. The first one is gonna be Poseidon Elixir. Poseidon Elixir is a dupe to Cunning Defense, right? One thing I would say about Dior brand is if you're looking to correct your fragrance as far as like the longevity, then you have to go with Dior brand. The Dior brand dupes normally last longer than the original. So as far as like longevity for Cunning Defense, this has a better longevity than Cunning Defense. You get the cinnamon in there, which kind of makes you appreciate the smoky pineapple. It's a big distinction. It's a big contrast between like that cinnamon and that smoky pineapple. You really pick up the denseness of that smoky pineapple in this fragrance, and it's gonna last really long. It's gonna project really strong. You're gonna get it for at least 12 hours. It's gonna project really well for the first 4 to 6 hours. I get compliments all throughout the day wearing this fragrance all the time when I wear it. You cannot go wrong with Poseidon Elixir, right? The next one. And the reason I spam it so much is sometimes I layer these two together. And when I layer both of them together, magic. Because it produces like a beautiful tropical, like a tropical fruit type of smell. This one is called Cunning Defense. It's supposed to be a dupe to Mind Games French Defense, right? The beautiful black cherry in this fragrance with the undertones, the resonant, the dark amber, the amber in the bottom, the base of this fragrance, which is like the undertone. Right, it doesn't make it too cloying and too sweet. It's definitely sweet though, but it's not as sweet as it can be. I smell some cherry fragrances that are really sweet. This is sweet, but it's not overly sweet, right? But it's definitely a big compliment getter. You're not getting less than 12 hours with this fragrance. It projects really well for the first 4 to 6 hours. When I layer both of these two together, like I said, chef's kiss. You feel what I'm saying? Like I said, if you get both of these fragrances, type in DIOR36, you will get a 36% off discount. I get compliments every time I wear both of these fragrances, bro. If you're looking for that, then you're definitely gonna love that. These two fragrances, when you put them together, like if you were to buy the originals, you buy both of these fragrances together, you're gonna spend like $800 easily, right? And that wouldn't make any sense, bro, especially in this economy. $800 on a fragrance is crazy. I mean, unless you got it like that, right? It's your hard-earned money. I can't tell you what to do with it. But me personally, I'd rather save my money and still smell good, right? I'd rather accomplish that luxury smell, right, without paying that much for it. To me, that's a bigger flex than flexing how much you pay for the fragrance. You get what I'm saying? Finding a deal is a bigger flex. So this is a really good deal. Plus, when I wore this fragrance one time and I ordered DoorDash, I went and get my food from the DoorDash driver as an older gentleman, and he complimented my fragrance, and I told him it was a dupe. He was like, ain't no way that's a dupe. He like, ain't no way that's a dupe. Like, nah, ain't no way you could be wearing a dupe. I like, yeah, it's a dupe. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you can't undermine these dupes. So yeah, both of these two together, heaven. The next one that I spam a lot out of Dior brand is Royal Chariot Attar. Oh my God, the ladies love this one. This is a nighttime, date night, night out with the boys. This is that fragrance right here. Royal Chariot Attar is a dupe to Parfum de Marie Latin. Yes, it has that vanilla, that cardamom. It's not as creamy as Parfum de Marie Latin, but it has that vanilla, that cardamom, that powderiness with the undertones, very, very undertone of fruits. You get that in here too, right? This fragrance is gonna sit on you, it's gonna sit on your skin. You're gonna get it for at least 10 hours. I remember one time I wore it at the gym, and I met a girl at the gym after I left the gym. Actually, I met a girl after I left the gym, and she was hesitant on hugging me because she was like, "Oh, you look sweaty." But then when she smelled me, oh my God, she was like, "Oh my God, you smell so good." So yeah, this is a fragrance. I mean, it definitely caught her off guard, right? The fact that I smell like this coming out of the gym. But this fragrance right here, it's powdery, it's sweet, it's vanilla. It has that Parfum de Mali DNA similar to it, but not exactly. It's an interpretation and inspiration. I would say about 80%, close to Parfum de Mali Lectin. It doesn't have that creaminess, the depth of that creaminess that Parfum de Mali Lectin has, but it also doesn't have the price tag that Parfum de Mali Lectin has. So you cannot go wrong with Royal, Chariot, or Tar, right? Those are the 3 fragrances that I like to spam from Dior brand. As you can tell, I put big dents in them, so you know that I really rock them for real. Right? I'm really wearing them. I'm really using these bottles. I'm not just stacking up these fragrances. And if you want to get access to this database that I've built from Dior brand, then comment Dior in this video. I'm going to send you a full Excel sheet, right? With all of the fragrances on there that Dior brand has ever created, with a link to purchase these fragrances. And I'm going to give you a discount code, 36% off on Labor Day, if you use the code DUPE36 to purchase these fragrances. So not only are you getting a discount because it's a dupe, right? But you're also gonna get an extra 36% off because of Labor Day. Share this with somebody that you know can get value from this information. My name is Dior. Top of fashion is my passion. I'm about that action.